The roads are infested with a disease so vile that it makes the roads unbearable to drive on. The disease I'm talking about, of course, is idiot drivers. Hello, and welcome everyone to yet another episode of Stupid People Behind the Wheel. They just don't seem to stop coming, and we just keep making them famous on YouTube. Watch out for them the next time you drive on the road, as these guys just keep getting crazier and crazier. Let's begin with the video. BMW drivers can drive like crazy anywhere in the world. After this video you will understand that you need to be more careful when you see a BMW. Luckily the biker seems to have barely saved his life.
Pull your ass over, you idiot! Pull the over! Pull over, stupid! Don't you see a red light? Are you stupid or what? I don't give a pull the over! Pull over, you idiot! Pull over right there, you dumbass! What?
The fight between motorists and vehicle drivers seems to continue for centuries. As you will see in the video, the driver treats the biker as if he were a cockroach. This cyclist may have been too angry. Perhaps the driver of the vehicle saw it and waited slowly for the biker to pass.
What is your problem, you You too! Pay attention! What? What? Did you not see me stop? Pay attention! Did you not see me stop? You! Pay attention! Pay attention! Get up! You! Learn how to drive! You're lucky you got your kid. You ain't You ain't gonna do I wasn't? Yeah, run your mouth! In your car, run your
The thief catches the biker, but the biker managed. In this video we'll see how the biker's awesome reflex saved his life. Another driver who got his license from the butcher. The biker's reflex connects it to life.
Is that the road? Stick on the other side of the road. Idiot.
This video is funny than others. A crazy woman stops the bikers and wants to beat them. This is India. According to my observations, it is one of the countries where bikers are least respected. The biker gets so angry that he starts grinding the truck. Old model Range Rover drivers are often old geezers. They do not use mirrors in traffic and cause great fear to motorists.
What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Fuck you, man.
Scary video. The fine line between life and death. Most of the people bikers fight on the road are old people. Older people get angry quickly and cannot drive properly in traffic because they are old. The man in this video verbally assaults a child biker.
What?
don't get run over on this roadway you drive.
I wasn't going very fast. I wasn't even going 20.
Another funny video. The driver of the vehicle threatens the biker with his stick because he knows that he is unfair and can be beaten by the biker. The biker is lucky he didn't eat the stick.
Dai și tu semnal? Bă, dai și tu semnal? Ia zi, prietene. Hai, deschide și mie geamul. Ce pula mea ești așa tare în gură? Zi și mie. Nu că ce nu-mi convine. Zi și... A, mă ameniți și cu asta? Bă, mă ameniți și cu asta? Bă, nebunule, până acum, ce-ai făcut până acum? Nu, nebunule, eu m-am băgat, noroc că m-am băgat, pentru că tu te-ai băgat fără să zică ce vreau. Ce pula mea e cu atitudinea asta la tine? Hai, dă-i mă, dacă ești tare în gură, dă-i, băga mea și pula în gura ta, dă-i. Hai mă, hai, dă-i. Dă-i mă, futu-te în gură, dă-i, băga mea și pula în gura ta.
Property owners are not at all hospitable to trespassers. A group of bikers disturbed the old woman and let the old woman shout at them. I want you to comment on the video under this video. Enjoy watching.
Little ass has been in. I've killed people. I've shot them dead in Vietnam. You need to stop it. This loud won't get away with me. I've been there. I've been a veteran with medals. So leave me the alone and quieten that son of a bitch down. You understand? I've already called the cops once, keeping off my ass. The goddamn cops. Them son of a bitches put me in the county jail because of it, but
okay, but I don't ride at night time.
I spent $500 goddamn dollars getting out of jail and okaying their shit with me. So hey, I'm just a peaceful man. I like to take my naps. I like to go to sleep and all of that shit, but I can't with this.
You were already outside when I got down here. You were already outside when I got down here.
Who are you?
You were already outside when I got down here, so why are you trying to tell me I'm keeping you awake? You were standing right there.
You've come by hell 15, 20 times.
And damn near every time you're standing right there, so how am I keeping you awake if I'm way the fuck down there and you're already outside when I get here?
I'm trying to be a little bit nice. Now I'm getting up to here with it, dude. Capish? You understand? I'm a human being. Yeah, I've been in 2 goddamn battles. One in Vietnam and one in that damn dirty ass, I can't think because I'm so goddamn mad. But I was there. Blood ass bloody everywhere. With my men and everything. I don't want this. I don't want it. It's too damn loud. The little bastard over here, it's too goddamn loud. But they're quieting them down the last 3 or 4 days.
So how would it be any different if I had a loud vehicle? If I had a loud...
I can't hear. I've had my ears blowed off, man.
If I had a loud truck or a loud car, how would that be any different? Just because it's a motorcycle?
It's the same difference. I'm calling the fucking cops, having them come over here.
So, if my
we are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are